Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the official knit stitch, sometimes it is referred to as a reverse purl, on your Gallery London Serenity loom. Now what they mean by reverse purl is for your purl stitch, you take your working yarn, place it below, and pull the yarn up through. For this stitch, you place your working yarn above the loop on the peg. Take your knitting hook up through the bottom and you pull that working yarn down. Here's your new loop. You're going to take the loop that's on the peg off, put your new loop on. I like to put my finger up here because sometimes if I'm not paying attention, that loop will pop off as I'm tightening it. Don't make it too tight though. You don't want to have any trouble with your next row. So I will do a few more of these. Pull that down, take what's on the peg off and replace it with that new loop. And you just repeat this step however many stitches the pattern tells you to do, or if you're just wanting to do like a flat panel, just do it all the way to the end of the row. Now the pros to using the reverse purl or the official knit stitch as opposed to the E-wrap is this is tighter. This is a lot tighter stitch, and sometimes that's the effect you will want with the project you're making. Now, if you're only using that stitch just as with the E-wrap or the purl stitch or the flat stitch or the U-stitch or any of these other stitches, it will want to curl. That is why when I skip the first peg of every row. That is completely optional. That is up to you if you want to do that or not. Both ways are correct. So you will see some people skip that peg, some people don't. Neither way is wrong. It will just help it to lay a little flatter. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you can get notifications of when I post new videos. For a chance to win your very own Gallery London Serenity loom, all you have to do is visit www.thegallerylondon.org and sign up for their newsletter. A winner will be published every week on their website, so do make sure that you do sign up. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.